Here are 5 best hand saws for fine woodworking. We dug through user reviews and extracted unique insights about each one, so you don't have to. Stick till the end to find out the best one. Number 5. IRWIN Marples. Blade length 7 1/4 inches, 184 millimeters. TPI 21. Blade material high-speed steel, induction hardened. Handle polymer, ergonomic grip. Saw type pull-action dovetail, detail saw. Pros: super sharp and clean cuts. Great for flush trimming dowels and trim. Lightweight and portable. Cheap, so you can keep spares. Cons: blade flexes, so not ideal for precision dovetails. Teeth can chip and wear fast. No official replacement blades from the maker. Not a long-term resharpenable option for heavy use. Buy it for quick jobs, on-site work and flush trims. Don't buy it as your main dovetail saw. Store flat in a sleeve to avoid bending. Expect to replace the saw or blade more often than a back saw. Number 4. RUITOOL Ryoba. Blade length 6 inch. TPI double edge. 14 TPI rip, 17 TPI crosscut. Blade material SK5 high carbon steel. Handle fixed beechwood handle, non-slip finish. Saw type Ryoba Japanese pull saw, double edge. Pros: dual purpose blade, saves swapping saws. Sharp and light, easy to control in tight spaces. Good value for the money. Cons: not a true flush cutter. Teeth can mark surfaces if you try to use it that way. Short blade limits depth of cut. Build quality can vary. Blade may feel loose in the handle over time. Buy for compact work, model making, trim in tight areas, and quick rip cross tasks on small stock. SK5 steels can be resharpened. If the blade loosens, reseat the tang or replace the handle. Number 3. Spear & Jackson Tenon saw. Blade length 10 inch. TPI 14 to 15 TPI. Blade material hardened and tempered high carbon steel. Handle traditional wooden handle, riveted. Saw type brass back Tenon saw. Pros: brass back adds rigidity and control. Good value compared to premium back saws. Resharpenable for long life. Cons: often needs tuning, filing, setting teeth, and handle reshaping. Inconsistent QC means some units arrive bent or misfiled. Not ready to use perfectly out of the box. Buy if you enjoy tuning tools and want a resharpenable back saw on a budget. File and dress teeth, check blade squat, and sand or refit the handle for comfort. Number 2. Suizan Dozuki. Blade length 9.5 inch. TPI 17 TPI. Blade material Japanese steel. Handle straight wooden handle. Saw type Dozuki pull saw with rigid spine. Pros: thin curve for tight, precise joinery. Fast and clean cutting thanks to Japanese tooth geometry. Spine keeps the blade rigid for accurate wall faces. Cons: handle wrapping may need light sanding or oiling for comfort. Blade shipping damage has been reported sometimes. Not for heavy stock or deep cuts. Buy if you want a cheap but capable Japanese pull saw for dovetails and framework. Thin blades can chip if abused. Store carefully. Sharpening is specialized for Japanese teeth. Many users keep a second blade for heavy work. Number 1. Thomas Flinn. Overall best. Blade length 8 inch. TPI 20 TPI. Blade material high carbon steel, resharpenable. Handle solid walnut handle with brass ferrule. Saw type gentleman's dovetail back saw with solid rolled brass back. Pros: very clean, tear-free cuts, ideal for dovetails and detail work. Brass back adds weight and stability for steady strokes. High carbon blade that can be resharpened repeatedly. Solid walnut handle that feels stable. Cons: slightly dull from the box for some units. Light sharpening recommended. Fine 20 TPI limits it to light joinery, not heavy ripping. Buy if you hand-cut dovetails and want a back saw that you can sharpen and keep for years. Sharpen with a fine file or take to a professional. Keep the brass back clean. Wipe the blade after use to stop rust. Quick buying guide. Pick 15 to 20 TPI for most fine joinery. Choose a backed saw for dovetails and tenons. Use a flexible blade for flush trimming. Prefer resharpenable blades for long-term value. Pick replaceable blades for easy swaps. Note handle material and finish. Textured finishes grip better. Very smooth finishes can slip.